Okay, so this is the fourth video, which covers question 61 to 80. Alright, so now look at 50. Sorry. Now let's look at 61. The swimming pool is the biggest all the pools in a resort. Okay, so when you see the biggest of something, right, then we would use of. Okay, the biggest of all the pools, that means, okay, that means of all the pools, this is the biggest. Right, 62. This new film is than the older one. So right, if you try to look at the keyword then, and then it's comparing between new film and the older one, right? So that's why we would choose comparative, and B is the comparative. Less exciting is the comparative, okay? 63, this computer is better than my old one, right? So better than my old one, it's comparative again. Okay, so of course we can't use C because more and better can't be put together, right? Because more is also comparative and this one is also comparative. We can't say 比较好. Okay, so the answer is much better. Much better means 比真的会比较好, right? So it's a emphasis. Okay, 64. The remake of the film is worse than the original. Worse than the original. So this is comparative as well. Okay, so comparative, we can't say more because bad is the original adjective and comparative adjective is worse. So we don't need to use more anymore. So we just say much worse. Okay. Okay, now let's look at 65. Giraffes aren't as elephants. Okay, as elephant means they are not the same weight as elephant, so aren't as heavy as elephant. Okay, 66. She can jump than anybody else. Alright, so there's a word then. Okay, so that means we're gonna use comparative as well. So the comparative is further. 67. It's to go swimming today. I'll get the towels. All right. So, yeah. So it's what I get towel means they will go to the swimming pool, right? Maybe swimming pool or maybe sea. So it's hot enough to go swimming today. Yeah. Okay. 68. She wasn't to go to work yesterday. All right. So we should use she wasn't well enough. All right, that means she's not feeling well. Okay, not enough well. All right, you should put the adjective at the front part first. She wasn't well enough. 69. It's to go out. It's time for bed. All right, so you see, it's time for bed means you're gonna sleep, so you can't go out actually. So you say it's too late to go out. Okay, 70. I didn't go to the concert. The tickets were expensive. Right, were too expensive. So too usually implies the negative meaning. Negative meaning 不是很好的意思, right? And enough is 刚刚好. So enough usually has a positive meaning. Okay? Right. 71. We don't have information to proceed to the next stage. Okay? So we don't have enough information. I'm sorry, but you were early. The meeting starts at 4 p.m. Okay? So I'm sorry, but you're, alright, so you're too early, okay? Okay, 73. Excuse me, is this the boat? Okay, so goes to Banner's Beach. So this is talking about a boat, alright? So it's a thing, right? So which one we should use? Yes, that. Okay, 74. Eric, brother trains with us, lives in your area, right? So now we are talking Eric, brother. Eric's brother actually, okay? Eric's brother. So which one is like, this brother belongs to Eric? Yes, whose? Whose is like Eric the brother, alright? Eric's whose brother? Okay, so 75. Mandy, right? Works at the airport, is a great cook. Okay, so now we're talking about Mandy. Mandy is a person, right? Yeah, so we should use who. Okay, so 76. Friend's sister works with you, goes to my college. Okay, so now we're talking about friend's sister. Okay, so the answer is whose. Okay, 77. New York is a city I really feel at home. So we're talking about a city, means it's a place. So it should be New York is a city where I really feel at home. Okay, now 78. That's the actor won an Academy Award last year. So we are talking about an actor here. Okay, so an actor, it should be who won. All right, so 79. Rick is the man taught me how to play the guitars years ago, right? So we're talking about the man over here. So it would be A, who taught me. Okay, 80. 2019 was the year there was a COVID-19 outburst, right? So we're talking about the year, so it would be A, when. All right, that's the end of the fourth video, I think, yeah. So you may watch the last video, which is video number 5, from question 81 to question 100. Thank you.